This week. Wow, where did 2020 go? Well, the purpose of this message this morning is to get you ready for 2021 and our business planning workshop that will be the week of January 11th, 2021. 3 days that week, we are going through this process with those of you from different offices in different cities. So here's what I need you to know prior to that week. And I know you're not going to do a whole lot this week because we do want you to enjoy the holiday with your family. However, why do we do a business plan? Well, a business plan is simply a path and a system. And we look at where have we been in 2020, where are we going in 2021, and most importantly, how are we going to get there? So preparation plus planning equals success. So you have some homework to get ready for your workshop the second week in January. So later this week, you will receive via email from your broker some worksheets because it all begins with the money. And we want you to have time to work on that before we get to our event. So you're going to receive your personal and your business planning budget worksheets. And I want you to carefully log in every expense that your income from real estate sales has to pay for. So your dry cleaning, your groceries, your mortgage payment, your car payment, your credit cards, all of that will go on your personal budget. And then what does it cost you to be in the business? You would be amazed when you start adding it all up. Some of your car expense, actually, I was on the phone with my accountant this morning, and she just takes 75 to 90, somewhere in between, percent of all my automobile expense, including car payment, car maintenance, fuel, everything, as a deduction on my tax return. So you are in a business, you are the CEO, you do not, let me say, you do not need to be doing your own taxes. You need to make sure you get the advantage of all the deductions. So your business expenses and then your personal expenses. You are also going to be receiving in this email your production profile. And those of you that have had 20, 30, 40, 50 closings this year, I do not want you to manually put everything down on the sheet. I do want you to put at least 5 or 6 of your last transactions. And all the data, you can see what it means. There's a legend at the bottom of the page, but you're going to put in the address, the price, the neighborhood, the family makeup, the age. And when it says age, that's not the house, that is your client. And you do that by decade. Were they in their 20s, their 30s, their 40s? And then you're going to get instructions on how to pull up your complete profile on Paperless Pipeline. Your total monies earned, your total transactions closed, how many were listings sold, and how many were buyer sides. You will need to bring all of that data to the workshop in January. And the last thing you're going to get is your self-evaluation sheet. And this is based on a point system. You're strictly going to answer a list of questions about the skills that you feel strongest on, that you have, and what you need improvement on. You get a point or 2 points or 5 points, and at the bottom of the page, you add your points up, and then it will tell you kind of where you are on your career path in real estate. So again, all of this is designed for you to be successful and for us to have a great 2021 and for us to also have a great business planning workshop the second week in January. So have a wonderful Christmas week, have a wonderful holiday, and we look forward to a tremendous 2021.